50th Anniversary Monorail. I was super excited to get this when it came in. Came out, whatever it did, I was excited I was able to get one, and it actually prompted that over there. Because we already have the train, so how can I put this around the Christmas tree if the train's around the Christmas tree? The only logical solution was to get another Christmas tree. Makes sense. I figured, I've never seen this. I've never even played with one of the other monorails. I figured we'd do a little unboxing and opening. See what we have in the 50th monorail from Walt Disney World. These are fun. Ah, my station fell. Track, some more track. Normally I throw the boxes, but this one I'm gonna carefully place down. Platform station. I'm guessing these are the elevated things to elevate our monorail, because if it's not elevated, it's a train. Railings. You don't want your people to fall off your monorail. One instruction. Walt Disney World Monorail Playset. Assemble de jeu Walt Disney World Monorail Playset. Set de jeu de Walt Disney World Monorail. Not much to it. It doesn't even tell you what to do. You literally, it looks like we just snap things together. Oh, yes! I didn't realize on the top it's got awesome stuff. All right, we also have some, I'll call it flair. We have the Main Street clock, super awesome. A lamppost with bushes on the lamppost. That's interesting. Ha! Our main monorail. One monorail sign. Oh, it's like just going to Disney, but it's here at your house. I love this. Toys, I love toys. All right. We've got giant monorail, super cool. We're gonna pull the little pull tab so it'll work. I think there's another pull tab, yep, on your main monorail. And let's take a look. We've got the characters on there. You got Mickey Mouse. The whole Fab Five is here if I'm correct, yes. And then there's an awesome 50th monorail like graphic right here. But this is cool. Oh my gosh, and the doors apparently open, which is super cool. I hope it says manténgase las manos, I should know that, but, oh, this is cool. Oh wait, this isn't the head of the monorail, this is a remote. This is a remote, I have a remote, I can play with it. Ah, oh, so cool. All right, let's put these here. We're gonna set it up on this table. Eventually it's gonna go around said Christmas tree, but we're gonna do a setup on the table first. All right, let's see if we can just smartly figure this out. All right, you're gonna need these guys. And then we're gonna need monorail tracks. Oh, I'm so excited. This is awesome. Here is our platform. Ooh, super cool. I should probably mention the price. This was $124.99. I picked this one up in the Emporium on Main Street, but I have seen them at Disney Springs. I've seen them in Epcot. I've seen them in a bunch of places. But $124.99. And see, we've got two little holes here and a monorail thing here. Doesn't say what direction, so I'm just gonna. Funny thing is, I always take the boat because the boat's always faster. Seems like the locals take the boats and the people who are on their one vacation, they really want to ride the monorail. They get on the monorail, but most of the time I'm in a hurry to get there and I just jump on the boat. Maybe I need a boat playset. They don't make that, do they? I'm getting distracted. There's that. Other side of the platform gets a clock. 4 of these guys are gonna go under here. It looks like. We're elevated. Look at that. By the way, if you're enjoying DadGotParks and any of this content, give it a thumbs up. YouTube loves the thumbs up. They'll push the video out, more people will see it, and we'll have more fun. Thank you for doing that, if you'd consider it. Looks like you just put the little things underneath here and here, to start making a circle, and then they connect with these, like so. So one of these connects two of these pieces. It goes right in there and connects. And then we just keep making a circle. We are building a platform, people. I don't think this is gonna take very long at all. Let's move into time lapse. Don't get confused if you look at the instructions and you're like, I don't have 4 of these, what the heck? I'm missing parts. You're not missing parts. They're these, they're pre-installed on the monorail, but they show them as parts. Confusing. This is way bigger than I expected. Keep that in mind if you're deciding that you wanted to get one of these. It's massive. Holy schmolians. There is a spot right there in the center that looks like the same connector as your monorail track. So that's gonna go like that. It's an oval, a 61.5 by 49 inch oval. Oh, guys. We have a problem. Dad should read. You can make this an oval instead of, or a circle instead of an oval, it says. You can make it a 61.5 inch oval or a 49 inch circle. I have to say that Disney failed geometry because this is not a circle. This is still an oval and it's still big. I'm gonna have to set this thing up on the floor for you guys to take a look at this. These, according to the picture, go here. Okay. That first one just does not want to go in. Maybe they're directional. We'll try that. Okay. That one definitely went in okay. You will not believe what I had to do to get that railing in. I had to heat the little plastic tab up and push it in so that it would be small enough to get in here. Ridiculous. A landing thing right here. And I'm gonna have to clear some space so we can put this thing on the floor and test it out. We need to test this out and see if I can get this under my tree. I don't know if it's gonna work. This is as close to a circle as I can get it. You have to use all of the circular curved ones, no straight ones. There's only 2 of those. So it doesn't make it that much smaller. Let's just see if this thing runs. So I'm gonna guess you just go like that. There is a switch here, which seems to do nothing. Let's see if there is a switch here. Dad's an idiot. It looks like there is a power switch on the side of the monorail. It is very hard to see. It is right here on the front monorail with the IR. And it looks like you turn it to the minus, and then we would turn you to the minus, and let's see. This should open doors.
If you are standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. They will be closing in a moment. Thank you.
Oh! They messed up. They didn't do it in Spanish. That's a fail. All right, let's see if the, I love it. It won't just keep going. It always stops at the monorail. Like, I guess you have to stop to let people on, but like, I want it to just keep going.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently holding for further traffic.
I love it. Interesting why it stops. We'll deal with that later. The smallest configuration I could make that works, where it stops at the station and does everything it's supposed to, was a 54-inch by 40-inch circle. Oval. I can't make a circle out of this. I don't know if I'm just not smart enough. So let's see if we can't oval this under the tree. This is not going well.
If you are standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. They will be closing in a moment. Thank you.
We did it. We got the monorail under the tree. It's taking up a lot of space. Don't know how the wife's gonna feel about that, but it's there and it's under the tree. We got it done in like 4 hours. Not 4 hours, but it took way longer because I wanted it as small as possible and I couldn't make it any smaller than I got it. Now, I did see they sell extra tracks and stuff to make smaller tracks and big double tracks and craziness with these things. Maybe I'll pick myself up a smaller track so that I can get a little bit tighter configuration. But it works, it stops at the station, it does everything. I think it's worth $125 all day long. If you can get your hands on one, I suggest you do it. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, do all that kind of YouTube-y stuff. I do have memberships where I give away things like a Loungefly Christmas bag that is the membership giveaway this month. Check that out, all the info's in the description. Dad may take way too long to put together a playset that he said was not gonna take long at all, but he doesn't do outros. So that's it.